Hi guys, ako nga pala si PJ Visto and since 2023 I was already diagnosed of chronic kidney disease stage 5. And right now, kung makikita nyo, naka-admit ako ngayon sa NKTI, so that's National Kidney Transplant Institute dito sa Quezon City because we are now doing our final workup. So ano nga ba itong final workup na to? So dito sa final workup na to, makikita natin or makikita namin kung compatible nga ba kami ng donor ko at kung makakapag-donate ba siya ng kidney para sa akin. Now, kung magtataka kayo kung sino ang magiging donor ko, it's none other than my beautiful wife, si Marjorie. So I know, parang parang fairy tale story siya. Like, kung iisipin mo dati, para sa mga telenovela mo lang nakikita yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga lovers and then eventually they donate organs to each other. Well, in our case, hindi na lang siya gano'n ngayon. As of yesterday, after ng mga iba't ibang results, after ng iba't ibang test na ginawa namin dito sa NKTI, um, fortunately, nag-negative naman lahat. So meaning, wala akong autoimmune and yung cross-matching namin o yung tissue typing namin is nag-match din kami. So 2 out of 6, meaning, baka pag-donate ng kidney sa akin yung asawa kong si Marjorie. Now, I know start pa lang 'to, hindi pa talaga ito yung pinaka-kidney transplant, preparations pa lang 'to. Ngayon, after nitong process na ito, after nitong final workup dito sa NTTI, ipa-process na lang namin yung mga papeles. We're going to get scheduled, for our operation and normally, it will take 1 to 5 months bago kami makakuha ng, operating room or schedule to get operated for the kidney transplant itself. So, yun na lang yung hihintayin namin. So, if you're wondering 'no, kung ano yung, ginagawa namin dito, I mean naka-admit lang ako. So, naka-admit lang kami dito dahil, kailangan gumawa ng mga madaming test. Kaya na sinabi ko sa inyo, ito yung final workup namin and dito makikita kung, nag-match ba kami nung donor ko, which is my wife. And, ngayon kung nagtataka kayo bakit kailangan naka-admit, it's faster that way, mas mabilis siya. Kasi 'pag ginawa mo siya, via OPD or outpatient, yung lahat ng tests is medyo matatagalan siya, mapapatagal yung mga results. Wherein kung naka-admit ka dito sa NKTI, um, the doctors will just schedule you dun sa mga test na yon and then ifa-follow up lang nila ng ifa-follow up and eventually mas mabilis siya, mas makakatipid, in the long run. So yun yung advice ng doctor namin. So ngayon, tapos na lahat ng test, wala naman na kaming hinihintay. So, sana, tomorrow, Saturday, is ma-discharge na kami dahil nami-miss ko na talaga yung anak ko. So, yeah. So, for everyone that's wondering, maybe, I'll give you a tour of the room kung ano ba yung usually makikita mo dito sa room where you get admitted if in case magkaroon kita or if in case you had to do the final workup or kagaya kita na candidate for kidney transplant. Let me show you around. And so from the door, makikita mo dito, meron tayong air conditioning control. And then ito yung room. This is the single private room. So I believe ito yung pinakamurang single private room. It's 2,000 pesos a day. And included na yung meals. Meron tayong CR dito. Yan, this is the CR. So sorry, medyo makalat lang. Yan, may CR tayo dito. And then of course, we have the table here. We have a board and luckily meron silang smart TV. So hindi ka naman mabo-bore kasi you'll have Netflix, you'll have YouTube and kasi from our experience sa Cebu before, hindi pa naka-smart TV yung mga private hospitals doon like Chongwa. So dito we're really glad na naka-smart TV siya. So meron ditong isang bedside cabinet and so cabinet lang talaga siya. Yeah, cabinets. Ayan, medyo makalas lang. And then may mahaba lang, parang may mahabang sofa dito na puwedeng tulugan nung nagbabantay. Yan, ito mismo yung hospital bed. Meron tayong phone to call other departments dito, the usual. Ayan, meron ditong AI phone, ayan. To be honest, yung facility itself is medyo luma na siya, medyo dilapidated na ng konti. Pero with my experiences sa private hospitals and then dito sa NKTI, medyo na-culture shock ako dito kasi sobrang napaka-spontaneous ng mga process na napakabilis ng mga proseso. Pagka-admit namin ng, Friday night last week is inasikaso agad kami. Nag-umpisa agad yung mga tests, wala ng tsetsa-boretsa pa, and wala ng paligoy-ligoy pa. So, sobrang bilis nila gumalaw and na-amaze talaga ako dun sa level of service na pino-provide nila. Although gaya nga ng sabi ko medyo hindi na, medyo luma na yung mga rooms, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Ang importante is the service that we get, and for that, napakaganda ng service dito sa NKTI. So, I think yun lang muna yung iba-vlog ko for today. Hopefully, if you want to follow my journey dito sa aking kidney transplant, please follow and subscribe. And if you have any tips, to all my fellow, yung mga naka-experience na ng kidney transplant before, if you have any tips, feel free to comment down below. I will greatly appreciate it. Malaking tulong talaga yan. And for everyone that has been praying for me and dun pa sa mga magdadasal for me, thank you so much. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Thank you.